close up, just get my ear pierced.
Ready?
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yep. Oh my god. Oh my god. So gay. Oh my god. Look at that beautiful flower. Oh my god.
Can you feel that hair?
It gave me a little shiver. You put it.
Okay, I'm gonna try and put the bigger one in now.
Okay. Do you disinfect it?
Yeah, I did. So small, like,
Oh.
it's nothing compared to what this.
Just do it.
No, that's the skinny part. There's like this major.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's a small part. It's like twice the size. Oh. Hold on.
Nowhere. Every boyfriend, every year. You just spit in my ear. Oh my god.
Okay, I don't know what's
Just keep doing. Just squeeze hard.
You're gonna hear
It
it.
doesn't hurt.
There we go.
It's through?
Yeah.
I'm a pimp.
It's a star, you know.
It is?
Yeah,
Okay.
they can't really tell.
Oh my god, that hurt. Actually, it didn't hurt. I'm sweating though.
There,
Oh
now
my
it is.
god.
You heard that, hey?
Yep. Well, there it is.
Let me put the back in.
Damn. There's my piercer. Yeah.